Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in Christina from the DIY Mommy's Spring DIY and Decor Challenge. She does these challenges seasonally and I always look forward to them because there's lots of inspiration from other YouTubers and from Christina herself. You can find the link to her channel below in my description box. You can also find the link for the playlist in the description box below also. So with that said, the DIY that I'm going to do is inspired by a basket that I saw when I was doing a shop with me earlier last month. And I decided to kind of make my own version of that basket. And so today I have two versions for you. And it's really very, very easy DIY. So easy. I like to make things that are inexpensive and that are easy, and they don't take a lot of your time, and they don't take a lot of your money. And also I think they're kind of good for people who are maybe setting up house for the first time, and they're looking to get crafty and do DIYs and decorate their home, and they're not really maybe sure what to do or what they want to do. And so I always like to think about people in those categories when I'm making my DIYs. It's so simple. Anyways, if you're looking for a diversion today, I know that a lot of us are on edge. Most of us are probably in our homes right now with a lot of the things that are going on in the world. And this would be a perfect day to just view this playlist and maybe use it as somewhat of a diversion from the things that are very stressful out there, or possibly just you might get some inspiration and you might be able to make some of your own DIYs while you have maybe some extra time on your hands. And anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video. So these baskets are great little inexpensive accent pieces to decorate with. I got the idea when I was in Walmart and I was looking at the Pioneer Woman's merchandise, and I thought, I can get a basket from the Dollar Tree and use some of my own ribbon that I like and make my own style basket. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to make two different kinds. So I thought this sweet little farmhouse style basket turned out pretty cute. I decided to take it and I set it on my hearth along with a nice pillow that I have that says Carrot Patch, and I put a little display together, and I really think that turned out nicely. And the second basket that I'm going to do for you right now is one that's going to be on a pedestal, and we're going to use this margarita glass from the Dollar Tree to put it up on the pedestal. So of course the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this margarita glass with the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm going to give it a couple coats, and then I'm going to attach my basket and my ribbon. So, what do you think of my baskets? Let me know in the comments which one you like or what you would do differently. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it as always that you've taken the time to watch one of my videos. Give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and have a great week.